Every day, we use objects that seem ordinary. Microwaves, zippers, elevators. But behind their simple appearance lie brilliant engineering tricks you've probably never noticed. In this video, we're diving into 10 hidden engineering secrets inside everyday objects. Clever designs that make our lives easier, safer, and smarter. Let's begin. Why airplane windows are round? You might think it's just for aesthetics, but there's a genius reason airplane windows are round. In the early days of aviation, windows were square, and that caused catastrophic failures due to air pressure stress at the corners. Engineers discovered that round shapes distribute pressure evenly, avoiding stress points. So next time you fly, thank this clever little curve for keeping you safe at 30,000 feet. Ever notice that tiny hole in your pen's cap or barrel? It's not a design flaw. It's an engineering safety feature. The hole equalizes pressure, preventing ink leakage at high altitudes or temperature changes. And in the cap, that hole is required by international safety standards. So if a child swallows the cap, they can still breathe through the hole. Smart, right? Ever noticed that one pin on your plug is longer than the others? That's intentional. The ground pin connects first when you plug in, and disconnects last when you unplug. This ensures that any stray electricity is safely grounded before power flows. An invisible but life-saving detail. Ever seen your washer suddenly spin like a rocket ship? Inside, it's using a combination of shock absorbers, springs, and weight sensors to stay stable. If clothes are unevenly distributed, the machine redistributes the load before spinning. Without this clever self-correcting system, your washer could literally walk across the room. Open your microwave door. You'll see a dark mesh embedded in the glass. That's called a Faraday cage. It reflects microwave radiation, keeping it inside while letting light out so you can see your food. No, it's not a design choice. It's physics in action. Zippers are so simple we often overlook them. But the design is brilliant. Each tooth is a tiny hook that interlocks with the one on the other side, held together by a Y-shaped slider. The angles, pressure, and spacing are perfectly calibrated. Mess that up by just 0.1 millimeters, and the zipper won't work. When you slam your brakes, ABS prevents the wheels from locking up. It uses sensors and valves to rapidly pulse the brake pressure, keeping your tires gripping the road. This system reduces stopping distance and improves steering control. A hidden life-saving technology in every modern car. Walk across a long bridge and you might hear a clunk every few meters. That's an expansion joint, a small gap that allows the bridge to expand and contract with temperature. Without them, the bridge could crack or buckle. It's a subtle, brilliant way to fight thermal stress. Think an elevator might fall if the cable snaps? Not likely. Elevators have a fail-safe brake system, a governor that detects speed, and mechanical claws that grip the rail instantly if the car drops too fast. It's been around since 1853 and still saves lives today. Ever wonder why fridge doors don't slam or bounce back open? Inside the hinges, there are cam mechanisms that gently close the door as you push it shut. Also, the magnetic strip around the door seals in cold air while making the door self-latch. Small parts, big results. So next time you use a zipper, a microwave, or a washing machine, remember, there's an entire world of engineering brilliance hidden behind the everyday. These secrets may be small, but they shape the way we live. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And tell us, what everyday object do you want us to uncover next?